mysterious video has been making waves across the internet, claiming to capture the interstellar comet 3I Atlas gliding through the dark expanse of space. With its soft, glowing motion and hauntingly beautiful rhythm, the clip looked almost too perfect, like a scene pulled straight from a sci-fi dream. But sharp-eyed astronomers noticed something was off. The data didn't match reality. So what's the truth here? Are we looking at the first ever close-up of an interstellar visitor, or just a cosmic case of mistaken identity that spiraled out of control? The buzz began on October 27, 2025, when a short video popped up on X, formerly Twitter, captioned "New 3I Atlas footage just dropped." The object in the clip floated gracefully through the dark, its movement smooth and organic, almost alive. Within hours, it went viral, racking up thousands of views and shares. Even AI image summaries joined the hype, automatically labeling it Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas, cementing the illusion. But astronomers weren't buying it. The clip lacked every hallmark of genuine space footage. No stars in the background, no proper lighting, no comet tail or halo. Real comet imagery is messy, faint trails, scattered light, and a hint of cosmic chaos from long exposure photography. It was pristine, polished, and definitely not from a telescope. Something wasn't adding up, and the truth behind the viral video turned out to be far more down-to-earth than anyone expected. Fact-checkers at Lead Stories stepped in, determined to uncover the truth. Using reverse image searches and metadata analysis, they scoured astronomical databases, NASA archives, and observatory records. Their verdict? Nothing. No match, no trace of the clip anywhere in official records. The mysterious comet wasn't being tracked by NASA, ESA, or anyone else studying 3I Atlas. So they called in an expert, but not the kind you'd expect. Enter Professor Jack Gilbert, a microbiologist from the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. His answer? Absolutely brilliant. He said, "That's not a comet, that's a paramecium." Yes, the supposed interstellar traveler was actually a tiny freshwater microorganism gliding gracefully under a microscope. Paramecia move using thousands of tiny hairs called cilia, which ripple rhythmically, creating patterns that look hypnotic and fluid. Under just the right lighting, their motion can appear cosmic, even otherworldly. Crop the frame, darken the background, and suddenly a microscopic organism starts masquerading as a deep space wanderer. So, what went viral wasn't a space discovery at all. It was a biology experiment gone interstellar. A droplet of pond water transformed into a fake comet that fooled millions. It's a perfect example of how digital content can lose its context and take on a life of its own. Meanwhile, the real 3I Atlas doesn't need any help being fascinating. Discovered on July 1, 2025 by Hawaii's Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS for short, it became only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected, following Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I Borisov in 2019. Its incredible speed and hyperbolic orbit proved that it came from beyond our solar system, a true cosmic visitor that won't be coming back. So while the internet was busy admiring a single-celled imposter, the real wonder was already drifting silently among the stars. To astronomers, 3I Atlas isn't just another comet. It's a cosmic messenger from a distant star system, carrying clues from a time long before our own planets even existed. Billions of years ago, it likely formed around a faraway sun, only to be flung into interstellar space during that system's chaotic youth. Now it drifts through our neighborhood, offering scientists a rare chance to study material from beyond the solar system's edge. Using the Gemini South Telescope and the European Southern Observatory, researchers spotted a faint tail and a glowing coma, both hallmarks of a comet warming up near sunlight. But chemically, 3I Atlas was an outlier. Its mix of carbon monoxide and water ice didn't match what we see in local comets, hinting that it was born in a much colder, more distant environment than our solar system's early nebula. Every interstellar visitor like this helps astronomers compare how other worlds form, from their ices to their organic chemistry, giving us a broader picture of how planetary systems come to life across the galaxy. Yet, while this groundbreaking research was unfolding, the viral Komet video stole the spotlight. Ironically, it revealed something fascinating on its own, a visual echo of nature's repeating patterns. The rippling movement of a paramecium under a microscope bears a remarkable resemblance to the swirling dust and plasma of a comet's tail. Both obey the same fundamental physics of fluid motion and light scattering, even though one lives in a drop of water and the other sails through the vacuum of space. It's a poetic coincidence and a powerful reminder. Science isn't built on how things look, but on evidence, data, and verification. Real discovery doesn't come from viral clips or trending posts. It comes from careful observation and peer review. The true wonder of 3I Atlas isn't its appearance. It's what it teaches us about our cosmic origins and the vast interconnected patterns that shape the universe. And this entire episode underscores a bigger truth about our digital age. Misinformation travels at light speed, while verification moves at human pace. Social media rewards excitement over accuracy, and that's exactly why stories like this take off so easily. A short, mysterious video and a bold claim, that's all it takes to send misinformation spiraling across the globe before experts even get a chance to blink. Sometimes, even AI systems meant to summarize facts end up parodying false captions, unknowingly amplifying the noise. And that's exactly why fact-checking and scientific transparency matter more than ever. Organizations like Lead Stories, Reuters Fact Check, and space agencies such as NASA, ESA, and Lab have become the guardians of truth in an online galaxy filled with half-truths. When a real astronomical discovery happens, they don't just post dramatic headlines. They release the data, images, spectra, orbits, everything. That's the beauty of science. It invites anyone to verify what's real. For space enthusiasts, learning to trace a claim back to its source is the ultimate act of curiosity with caution. If a video doesn't come from a known observatory or a recognized mission, it's always worth taking a breath before hitting share. Meanwhile, the real 3I Atlas is still out there, gliding silently through our solar system, and that's where the real magic lies. Over the coming months, it'll be observed by the Vera Rubin Observatory and NASA's Sphere-X mission, both poised to capture high-precision data on its brightness and composition. Scientists hope to determine whether this traveler behaves like a classic icy comet or a rocky interstellar fragment, a mystery still unfolding. And this is just the beginning. Within the next decade, astronomers expect to detect dozens more interstellar visitors, each carrying secrets from beyond our sun's reach. Together, these discoveries will lay the foundation for a brand new field, interstellar planetology, the study of materials born in other star systems. So while the viral 3I Atlas video turned out to be nothing more than a microscopic organism miscast as a cosmic wanderer, the real comet remains a quiet ambassador from the stars. It's a poetic reminder that while curiosity sparks discovery, it's truth that gives it meaning. The universe doesn't need exaggeration. Its reality is already far more extraordinary than fiction.